Hello and namaste, my dearest biologist. I would love to say biologist because we are in the biology class. Let's talk about previous class. What we have talked about? Okay, we have talked about nutrition of animal, right? Nutrition in animal. Okay, I think you all have revised that already, or you all have watched that video also. So, what is habitat? What is habitat? Okay, let's have an overview of our class today. Today, we are going to learn all about animal habitat. Have you heard the word habitat before? Have you heard everyone? Okay, no worries. We are going to know together. We are going to read together today. Okay, a habitat is the home of a plant or animal. Habitat can be very cold, very hot, or somewhere in the middle. So, habitat actually a place where animal and plant survive, where we are living, where we are surviving. We are living in our home, right? We are living in our house where we can be safe from very hot, very cold. So, this is called habitat, where you live, where you survive, right? So, habitat is a home for all the plants and animals. So, habitat can be very cold also, very hot also, or somewhere in the middle. Some of the animals or plants lives in very cold area, some of the animals lives in very hot area, or somewhere in the middle also. So different plants and animals have different habitat according to their surviving nature. So must habitat includes animals and plant as well as the things they need to live, such as water and shelter. Habitat does not only include animals and plant. Habitat include also water and shelter, which help plant and animal to survive. So here is the another word, ecosystem. So ecosystem is the togetherness of plants, animal, and other different microorganisms living in a habitat, right? So all the plant, animal, and organism living together make an ecosystem. Ecosystem is made up of different type of plant, animal, or the organism living together in a habitat. So example, so there are different types of habitat. This includes oceans, woodlands, wetlands, rivers, and desert. There are different type of plants and animal where they choose to live in those places. Some of the animal or plants survive in oceans, some of them survive in woodland, wetland, river, and desert. So it's time for questions. So question number one, would a fish be able to live in desert habitat? Why? Or why not? Question number two, why would it be difficult for a white polar bear to live in a forest of green trees? Why? Why polar bear feel difficult to live in green forest? Okay. Question number three, what makes up an ecosystem? What make ecosystem? So here are three different questions. You have to answer these all in comments. Have a good day, everyone. See you in next class.